Alrighty guys, today we are working on a 2022 Honda Ridgeline. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance life or oil life percentage. There's two ways to do it on Ridgelines. You can either use the steering wheel buttons here or the main dash display, the radio. I'll show you both different ways. The first way would be through the steering wheel. So you're going to see this little I button with the arrow. You're going to cycle up to where it says oil life percentage, and then you'll see the reset button right below it there. You press and hold that reset button, and it takes about 15 seconds. If you press and hold that, it will come up with, would you like to cancel or reset it? We'll go ahead and hit reset. Reset completed, and you're good to go. Now there is another way through the main dash here, so you'll want to hit home. Make sure it's on the same home display you see here. Settings, and then you're going to go down to vehicle, and then from here you are going to go down to maintenance info. Hit reset. Would you like to reset your maintenance information? Yeah, go ahead and reset it, and it'll say maintenance information has been reset. Hopefully this is a quick and easy video to help you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Take care and have a great day.